to the melody, 'cause my love is in there. Just listen to the melody.
This joint's dedicated to everybody that's out there, got somebody special, man.
Just listen to the melody.
Real love is hard to come by.
Just listen to the melody.
So if you got it, you best cherish it. Feel me? Yo, what's the deal, love? I know it's been a minute since I set aside time just for us to kick it. But you know how it is in this biz. You gotta go and make paper from these numerous gigs. But you the reason why I keep it going. The threshold to my honor, a privilege that I'm blessed to know it. Even through rain, hell, and snowing. Regardless to the stress, you still push to keep the love flowing. I done had a share of love that then came and went. Lacking the patience it takes to build an establishment. You're like a diamond in the rough to a cave of wonders. You got the treasure that can split a man's heart asunder. When the world starts to rain and thunder, you're the bridge of support that I go and seek shelter under. From cold winters to the hot summers, you're the love that I cherish indeed. It ain't no need to wonder.
Jamie and pass out. Hungo on flight to Florida. Trying to do Skrillex shows for most Skrilla. Enemies with benefits.